7:59 a.m.
Woman, this tea is so strong it can power an exhauster from Lagos to Nairobi non-stop. My stomach is vibrating like generator without fuel.
Good. My tea is internationally powerful. Even kings would bow after tasting it, unlike you peasants who complain.
Globally speaking, that tea is classified as biological warfare.
Oh no!
Let it be war. Even my enemies must fear my talents.
And that's breakfast. A Kenyan, Nigerian queen, an exhauster truck driver, and one British robot filing for asylum.
Hours later.
Hello, Baba Nyash? Are your 3 lorries reversing here? Or is that just your stomach screaming?
Hello! Oh no! Woman, your tea has started a riot inside me. Even my intestines are protesting.
Okay, good. Next time, praise my tea properly. Bye-bye.
3 hours later.
That lunch was powerful. All 3 of my exhauster lorries vibrated at the same time. Even the driver has called me.
And my food is continental. If the AU tasted it, they would declare public holiday.
You've essentially cooked a seismic event.
Good. Greatness shakes nations.
Oh no!
Lunch was so dramatic, even Netflix would reject it for being unrealistic.
3 hours later.
Hello, Mama Nyash. My stomach is drafting a complaint to the Ministry of Transport because of your lunch. Oh no!
Hello? Let them file it. Greatness must be documented.
This supper has finished me. My body is shutting down like an exhauster engine with no oil.
Good. Only powerful food can humble an African man with 3 exhauster lorries.
At this point, dinner qualifies as an industrial hazard.
Imagine eating supper so strong, it makes you rethink all your life decisions. That's this house.
Oh no!
I love the chaos.